How's it going, everybody? This is Matt with Nowoski Extreme Performance, and today we're going to do a Tech Tip Tuesday. So in front of me here, I have some HHI top clamps. So I'm not sure if you guys know this, but on our website we offer triple tree kits, which would be a lower tree, a stem, and a top clamp. And we also offer them in just the top clamp options. So a couple reasons why you would want to do this would be they are lighter and it's going to give you more of a responsive feel and stiffen things up a little bit, hence making it more responsive. There's a couple different options to go over. So this is going to be for 49mm bikes, so 2014 and up baggers. And we have a track style option and a stock style option. So why you would want a stock style option is if you're going to want to retain your locking mechanism and if you would want to use your covers like factory. Also, if you had a Road King nacelle or a Street Glide fairing, you would need this stock style piece here. If you do not have a Street Glide or a Road King, you would want to go, in my opinion, with the track style kit. So the track style kit's not going to have any stanchions here to mount a fairing or anything like that. And it's also not going to have a location for your ignition or locking mechanism. In my opinion, I love the look of these trees in the track style kit. I have them on my own personal Road Glide. It just cleans everything up and makes them look really nice and plain. It's going to come with new hardware. It's not going to come with riser bushings, but these adapters here that you would put in the top clamp, and then from there you would use a normal bushing. So again, guys, not to overcomplicate it, but if you're looking to keep your stock locking mechanism and or Road King nacelle, Street Glide fairing, you're going to want to go with the stock replacement top clamp. And if you want to clean things up and you've got a Road Glide or a naked front end bike, then you would want to go with the track style. I think this is a great product, especially for the price, and when you're riding your bike, you're gonna be looking down at these a lot of the time, so it looks great to clean this up. We have these available in machined finish and black, anodized, and yeah, so you're gonna save a lot of weight, get some more responsive feeling there, and really just makes a big difference on the way everything looks. If you're looking at any of these top clamps, you can find them on our website at nowoski.com under the bagger section. That was a Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm Matt with Nowoski Suspension. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment on maybe some of the other parts you'd like us to go over and explain a little bit more. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email at info@nowoski.com, and we'll see you on the next video.